Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis, as of course the top story of the day. $300 million liquidated, gone just like that. The game was rigged from the start, Jimbo. What is up, everyone? How's everyone feeling? Make sure you guys are spamming the like button, hitting that share so other people can spam the like button. Sonic to the moon. Didn't you call a quick wick yesterday? Yes, I did. Well, to be fair, I said it would not shock me in the slightest. I didn't say that this was going to happen. To be fair, I said this would not shock me in the slightest if it were to happen. I didn't call for it. But yeah, this is how the game is played. That's a nice floor for Sonic. Couldn't agree more. It's your boy Ski. All right, we're gonna do a little bit different today. We're gonna do a little bit of news, and then we're gonna get into the charts as per usual. And of course, the top story is $300 million from cryptocurrency market was liquidated in the span of 30 minutes, and it created this crazy wick where realistically, after the dust settled, nothing actually happened, but it did happen, but not really. Hey fam, what's up? What is up, everyone? Yeah, so that was pretty big. I didn't call for that, but I said yesterday that I wouldn't be surprised if something like this were to happen. Only 23 coins have outperformed Bitcoin this year, and that is what I was talking about a lot. If you guys remember, if anyone was here, when I was saying that, you know, through this, there's going to be 3 phases. You have phase 1, or excuse me, 4 phases. Phase 1, phase 2, right? So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And I said phase 2 and 3 would be all about Bitcoin. And then during phase 4 is when we're going to get our real deal alt season. Who remembers all of that? So yeah, that's just like an article just sort of supporting this theory of mine, if you will. New moon. New moons create new moons. Typically. Not always. Typically. And then, of course, XRP, Dogecoin, other assets compared to the profitability. This one is interesting to me, this little graph here. It's actually really interesting to me. Nearly 90.8% of everyone that's bought Bitcoin is in the green. That is actually insane. But look at down here. And I never owned ADA at all until 2024. But to me, with only 53% in profit, to me that's even more evidence of a value play of sorts, if you will. What's good, Ski? A nice little correction. You love to see it. And then, of course, Hogan, my man, rugged. $17 million rug pull.
Oh, it went to 0. Yo!
I'm sad, brother. I'm crying, brother. And then we got more bullish news for ADA with the partnership with Argentina. And again, I never owned ADA until 2024. But to me, especially looking at the charts to me is what got me curious about ADA. And when I'm looking at the charts, I'm liking what I'm seeing. But look at this, like a crazy liquidation event. But when you actually look at it, it's like, yeah, nothing really actually happened. It's just like crazy spikes both ways. So pretty funny, but realistically, we're at the same exact spot. But typically you have these sort of events, and in my experience a lot of times with right before, it's always darkest before the dawn. So yeah, XCC is looking really, really good in my opinion. The classic Wyckoff accumulation sign of strength back test of the prior range. You'll love to see it. Hey there, Ski. What is up, fam? I just bought more XCC. Yeah, XCC to me is a really good play. A really good value play here. Just in, Donald Trump pitched himself as the first crypto president. A lot of people love Bitcoin. And then, of course, CNBC has absolutely no views, so they were streaming Roaring Kitty. You love to see that. Then GameStop halted for the 17th time. Everyone keeps saying, like, what are your thoughts on GME, bro? And I keep saying it. I'm very consistent. If you're going to play this game, you need to play the cryptocurrency game. I think it's fine to play this game if you're playing the cryptocurrency game. But every time that the stocks begin to lose, what is going to happen every single time is they were going to shut down the stock market every single time. And this is a pretty nice chart. We had a breakout, went into price discovery, got rejected, and back right at the same level that we were at. But when we look at like GME, the actual coin or the actual stock, like none of that price action happened because every single time that they start to lose, they shut it down. That's what's going to happen. It's going to keep happening. Like people act shocked, like, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. The consequences of my own actions. What was the event that triggered the sell-off? There was no event. There was just a, yeah, like we didn't even make a new high on the actual stock, right? We didn't even make a new high on the actual stock. But the coin did. And that to me is like, okay, like the coin did. This was 2 days. Yeah, this was yesterday. The coin rose, what percent here? Yeah, it did a 2x. So the coin went into a new all-time high, but the stock didn't. And that's like super evident of what, you know, Sonic to the moon. 100%. Sonic chart looking very, 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 very good. Loaf thoughts. Let me look at Loaf. Let me finish up this. I think I got one more thing to talk about. Oh yeah, the big news. You guys talked about it yesterday. You guys put me onto this, but Robinhood acquired crypto exchange Bitstamp. That's actually super bullish in my opinion. That to me means that Robinhood's going to be expanding upon their crypto reach. So, and Robinhood's a very like beginner friendly on ramp to crypto. This is a pretty bullish thing in my opinion. Roaring Kitty was live. They probably saved all of the liquidations for Roaring Kitty. Yeah. All right, and let's get into the charts. Let's look at Loaf. We're going to look at Bitcoin. I mean, really nothing's too different, honestly. Like, it was a scary liquidation, even though it's only down like 3%. Like, bro. it's down 3%. Like, what are we talking about here? What exactly are we talking about? Loaf Cat. What should I look this up on, fam? Is this a Dex Tools look? Yeah, make sure you guys spam the like button, hitting that share so other people can spam the like button. Let's get this party started, y'all. That's the news. Let's get into the charts, the price predictions. Loaf. This is the one right here. Algo targets. I don't love Algo's tokenomics. I think that they're going to retrace. All right, let me give you my thoughts on this. There's like almost no data. This is like brand new, bro. But it almost went into price discovery. Not quite. Price discovery is about another 1x from here. AEVO is started by Robinhood Finance is major impact. Well, to me, listen, and I've been very consistent. Like, I really don't care about narratives. To me, like, they do not affect price. Or if they do, it's almost the opposite of what you would expect. Total crypto market cap prediction 8.8 trillion. 8.8 trillion. What was the one? Algo. 8.8 trillion. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind the algo chart, but their tokenomics are a little wonky. I think it's probably only going to retrace 130 as high as 160. I think that that's a realistic target for algo, just based on their tokenomics and, you know, sort of everything that they're dealing with, which is still a 9x. Like, that's still pretty damn good. If it wants to go into price discovery, you're looking at $4. Brett didn't liquidate. Why? Well, you can't really leverage trade Brett right now. I mean, I'm sure you can, but the liquidations were set up months ago. Brett wasn't here months ago, right? So all the liquidity and the stop losses. So what it is like, here's what's actually happens is the whales will quickly sell things off just to scare people, just so that they can buy lower. It's like pure manipulation, but this goes on not just in crypto, it goes on everywhere. Yeah, that's why. I mean, Brett's pretty parabolic at this point, to be honest. You can on KuCoin. Yeah, but for how long have you been able to? Let's see. Let me get a KuCoin chart here. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's like 3 days. There hasn't been a pool of liquidity. So like, what happens? This is what happens. Okay, so the question is, why did Brett not liquidate? All right. So every time someone puts a stop loss here at X price, and then they have like you know, a take profit, or let's say they have a stop loss here too. Like if they're shorting, that's their stop loss, right? And let's just make it green, right? So it'll be ranging in here. So the shorts, their stop loss is here. The longs, their stop loss is here. And when we look at Bitcoin, that's what happened. It got both of them. Like, it literally got both of them. So this is what happens. The stop losses get tight, and then the whales look for this liquidity, basically, and they're just trying to grab that liquidity. So when we look at Bitcoin, that's exactly what happened. Like, I mean, this is what will keep happening too. This is why, like, I really don't advocate for leverage trading too much, because I know that that's what, like, you can be right a lot of times, but if your leverage is too high, you're wrong. Like, look at this candle right here. Look at this candle, like a higher high, and we didn't make it lower low. But yeah, that's what it was. It's just like people, it's just them grabbing liquidity. That's all it is. It's just wrecking the leverage traders. And that's what it is. That's what it is. But I mean, to me, like, literally the price isn't even any different. There's absolutely nothing different about this at all. That's just a liquidity grab. That, to me, honestly, is bullish. When you see those liquidity grabs, it's kind of a, well, it's sort of a, what a liquidity grab is, the way that you could really, the way that I could really explain it is, a liquidity grab is just supply and demand, and just testing what the demand is, or testing what the supply is, right? So typically that's it. How is it like stocks that you can put up coins and sell puts, calls? Yes, the same thing, literally the same thing. It's just longs and shorts though, but it's not. What do you think about GME? My thoughts on GME: if you are going to play the GME game, I would highly recommend playing the cryptocurrency version of the game. You are not going to win on the stock market, but you can win on the cryptocurrency version of this, because the reason why is, every single time that they begin to lose, where is my thing? Is this it? Yeah, here we go. Every single time that they begin to lose, this is what happens. The seventh time it was halted. The seventh, not the first, not the second, not the third, not the fourth, not the fifth, not the sixth, the seventh time. So every time that they begin to lose on the stock market, this is what is going to happen. This is not a coincidence. This is them telling you exactly what will happen. If we lose, because we are the ones, we as in the hedge funds, lose the game because there's two opponents, right? There's two opponents. The hedge funds and retail. You. Every time they lose, they shut down the market. Because check it out, it's their stocks that they're allowing you to trade with. So you cannot win the stock market game. You, however, can win. You can win the cryptocurrency. So if I were to play this game, I'm not. But if I were to play, and I said a couple of days ago that I thought that this chart looked beautiful, I would play the cryptocurrency because they cannot shut down the cryptocurrency. This did a 3x in one day. That's 30 years of stock market gains. Where if we let's look at the actual stock, like how much percentage did it actually go up? Right? Like what percentage did it actually go up? So yeah, if I were to play the game, I would highly recommend playing the cryptocurrency game because you can actually win that one. You are not going to win the stock game because every time they lose, aka you win, they're shutting it down. They will shut it down every single time. No regulations, no DTCs. Look, bro. Look. GameStop halted for the seventh time. Seventh. Not the first, not the second, not the third. The seventh time. Volatility halts happen. So what? Well, guess what? That's my point. My brother in Christ. They don't happen on the blockchain. You're all up in the Kool-Aid, got the wrong flavor. The point of what I'm telling you is, if you are going to play the GME game, play it where they cannot shut it down. The actual equity, like what does that even mean, bro? I gambled. What's up, Sanchez? Do you think there's actually any value in GME? What intrinsically value? You could actually spin this. What could you do with GameStop stock? Absolutely nothing. There's no value in this. I'm sorry that cryptocurrency is in your face about how crazy the entirety. Everyone's like, oh, meme coins are just a big Ponzi scheme. It's like, bro, the entire financial industry works the exact same way. The exact same way. What does blockchain have to do with GME? Because you can go long, or you can buy GameStop, the cryptocurrency, and you're going to get all the same hype. But check it out. When they lose, aka nobody, because it's decentralized, they don't shut it down. Every single time, the seventh time, every time that they, as in the hedge funds, everyone's like, oh, we're stealing from the hedge funds. It's like, bro, it's their stocks that they're allowing you to trade. Like every time it's going to happen. The seventh time. That the house always wins. You ever hear that? Are we still going to 25 mil in June? I think so. Especially with this liquidation event that just happened with Bitcoin, to me makes me very, very bullish, even more so than I was yesterday on the whole market. So how are they connected? You're just trading the hype, just the same as you are the other one, except you can actually win. Rally Trump coin, is that like an actual like rally? Is it different from MAGA? I bought GME. Did you see Moon rug pull? No, I didn't. They wasn't all from volatility today. Yeah, exactly. This is my point. This is my point. And I'm fine with you guys playing this game, but like they've done it 7 times now. Let's not be surprised. Like it would be like, okay, let's imagine for a second. Let's imagine your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your husband or your wife. And then and I've seen marriages that have fidelity and they can recover, right? I've seen it happen. It usually doesn't, but I've seen it happen. But imagine if your spouse cheated on you, not 1 time, not 2 times, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times, not 6 times, but 7 times. And you believed in your head that, oh, when I try to do this again, that it's going to work out and they're going to be loyal to me for the 8th time. Like, no. It's not going to happen. Like, they're telling you what they are. Rally. Sounds like the coin mimics the stock, so regardless if the stock fails, the crypto does as well. Right. That is true. Except the brokerage can literally halt buys and sells from happening, where the blockchain is not that way. It's been halted 11 times. Yeah, imagine if your spouse cheated on you 11 times and it's like, I won't do it again, babe, I promise. Like, what? You're showing me this isn't an accident, this isn't a mistake. This is you're showing me who you are. That's what this is. These hedge funds are showing us who they are. Let them do that. That's fine. And if you want to play this game, my point is you should play the blockchain game where you can actually win. Bro, whole market is manipulated. Yeah, no, facts. Swift coin, please. All right, let's look at it. Literally. What's good? Good evening, fam. Hope family taking advantage of everything us on sale. Yeah, no. SWF. And I get it. Like, you get some FOMO and you want to play this game. You don't want to miss out. And that's what I'm telling you guys. It's like, why don't you play a game that you can actually win? Because you're not, like, 7 times. If your spouse cheated on you 7 times, would you believe them if they said they won't do it again? Okay. So when the hedge funds say, like, oh, we're not going to do it again, they're going to do it again, bro. Market is corrupt. The whole market, the stock market, everything. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Better yet, play by their rules. Rally is the coin. Oh, my bad. I skipped you. I'll go right back to you. This to me is pretty decent. Accumulation. This is your sign of strength here. Perhaps your markup phase. Price discovery puts you at 1.2 cents. What app do you use? I use for what? I use a lot of apps. Rally. RALLY. Yeah, that's you need to be on the side of the winners. All right. 4 audits. Let me look at this. What are the concerns? Max sell ratio. Whether the contract has function to restrict token holders from selling the token. That's not good. That's no different than GameStop stock. Antwell. Whether the contract has function to... Yeah, I don't like this. Trading cooldown. Yeah, no, I don't like this. It's a no for me, bro. Just off the audit, like, this is not good. And there's not enough TA for me to even give you do you do day trading? I do more swing trading. What app do you use? I use TradingView, and right now I'm using Dex Tools. I use a lot of different apps. Top G. What's up, my brother Ski? What's up, fam? The definition of insanity is expecting different results. Yeah, literally. Doing the same thing and expecting different results. Like, it's crazy to me that people are shocked that it's like, bro, this is manipulated. They shut it down again. It's like, yes, bro. That's what they're going to do every time. Sonic. The whole market was down and Sonic was green. You love to see it. 3 million. Yeah, we have a pretty damn strong floor here. I like this. I like this that we are just trading and just really filling out this range, because that means when we actually go off to the next phase, that means that this is a rock solid floor. And that's what I'd like to see. I'd like to see us just staircase our way to 6, 7, 10 billion dollar market cap, just like this. Everyone wants a straight line. Straight lines are exciting, but straight lines also come down the same way. This is a much healthier way of doing things. You'll love to see it. VeChain, sorry. Tate burn 11 million USD today. Top G live X crazy. Thoughts on Simon? SINM. Down 41%. Not a lot of liquidity. How small is this coin? Yeah, this is this the right one, fam? Do you see HME going up after Kitty trades on the 21st? It could. I don't mind the GME. The coin chart looks pretty good to me. You had a breakout and a back test. You had a breakout and a back test. I actually don't mind it. So yeah, like, I think that it could. This to me is like, it's an interesting chart, but it's not an unhealthy one. VeChain 69 cents to 97 cents. Thanks for the gift, the tiny and the heart, you savages.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh yeah.
Yeah, is that one? Dev seems like a good dude, putting in work. Maybe, but like, good dudes aren't going to get you to, you know, $100 million market cap. I don't know. I would like to see this thing start to really reaccumulate for that one. Because, I mean, at $59,000 market cap, like, it could easily just go away forever. Easily, just be done forever. For all of eternity, be done. Hee. I like Hee here. I think Hee is a very solid chart. Down 12% today. Interesting. Why did it go to top G? What the hell? I literally clicked on Hee. Did you guys see that? Like, I literally clicked on Hee. Am I losing my mind? He does have a very solid chart. I agree. Yeah, this is just an accumulation. Accumulation's super boring, but it's one of the better ROI plays. I miss Solonic match buys. It's the Matrix. Undo. UDOU. Everything died. Bought more VT and XRP. Yeah, VT, XRP. Also, did I tell you to take profit the other day, bro? I feel like I did. Also, Quant at $86 right now. Quant, like, come on, bro. That's a steal. Thank you for the bracelet. Yeah, this is on the markdown phase. I think this is topped out at the 1618 here. It could find support here, but realistically, I would probably expect it to find support around 0025. What percent down is that? Another 40% to the downside. I swapped some into Solnic. Nice. Good play, my man. I saved you a solid, because I think I remember it at the 1618. I could be wrong. You would remember better because it was your coin. But yeah, I think it's down a solid 30% from that day when I said I would consider taking profit. We're at 8,000 likes, guys. Let's get this to 10,000 likes and we'll do a giveaway. I'll do a exit strategy, or we can do some Solnic. How high can it go? Forgot. 1,300. 1,300 for Quant. To me, for blue chips, for value, Quant is a steal right now. Like, I think it's literally at $86. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. And people are bored with Quant, which is like, it got all the way to 77 today. That's crazy. People are bored with Quant, which to me is very bullish. Very bullish. The more bored that people get, the more bullish I get. Let's see what the X percentage is. So just a price discovery is a 6.5x. Parabolic from here is a 15x. Chainlink TA, please. Dude, Chainlink has some... What blue chips do you see with the best potential? Quant, Chainlink, VChain, XRP, AVAX, Rose. Those are a few that I like the value. I don't really care. ICP, you could throw there. I don't really care too much about anything besides just the straight up value of a coin. I don't know if I said XRP or not. You think meme season just days or weeks away? Yeah, I think that we are days or weeks away. Yeah, man, this is a good buy here for Chainlink. This is a good buy in my opinion. Actually, if you missed out on Chainlink, this might be as good as it gets for you. This is a good buy here. I might actually, after this stream is over, get some more. But yeah, price discovery puts us at a 10x from here, $180. ICP / Quant or Link. Are you asking me of the three which I would rather have, or which I would say is like the best value? Sold AGIX yesterday. Have some funds. Probably. I don't really care too much about like, oh, I love this coin, I hate this coin. I really just look for value. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care. I don't care if it's Elon Nutsack coin. As long as there's value, that's all I care about. So to me, they're all like relatively real world. They're all relatively basically the same to me. You know what I mean? I know that they're technically different, but as far as like level of real world application, I think that they're all basically the same. Even though, yes, they're technically doing different things. I just mean like impact. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, Quant for the value is probably the best value of the three, but they're all pretty damn similar. You really couldn't go wrong with any of them, to be honest. Am I shaking my camera? Yeah. I think that they're all pretty good value. They're all basically at the same spot, actually. Let's look at ICP. Quan is technically a little bit lower on the charts. ICP was down a decent bit. Yeah. Technically, by this chart, I would say ICP has the most value here. Chia is another good coin. Yeah, I like Chia. If you guys like got screwed by Filecoin and their crappy tokenomics, I think Chia is a good replacement. I think Chia is an excellent replacement for Filecoin if you got screwed by their silly tokenomics. All right, we're at 10K likes, guys. We're at 10K likes. You guys want to do let's do a giveaway. I want to open 5x long on Sol. What do you think? I still have file. We're at 11K likes. All right, should we do you guys want to do Solnic giveaway, or a we can do, because I do portfolio reviews, should we do exit strategy? I'll just let the winner pick. How about that? We'll do 10,000 Solnic. 10,000 Solnic. All right, you guys want to do numbers or trivia? Numbers or trivia? Trivia. Numbers. 2 votes numbers. 2 votes numbers. 1 vote trivia. 3 votes numbers. Numbers it is. Numbers it is. Numbers it is. Okay. All right. I got my handy dandy notebook. But I don't think I have a pen. All right, I'm going to write on my iPad. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to write on my iPad the answer. Numbers it is. Hold on 1 second. All right, so if you're new here, the first person that guessed the correct number on YouTube or TikTok is going to win 10,000 Solnic. Jesus Christ. New document. Ah, I'm on the wrong thing. Here we go. Here we go. All right. All right. The first person to guess the correct number is going to win. It's between 1 and 100 is going to win 10,000 Solnic. All right, YouTube, go. TikTok, go. 91's the first one, and that's not it. Not 68, not 56, not 97, not 4, not 4, not 7, not 35, not 86, not 7, not 21, not 76, 53, 66, 1, 32, 71, 55, 12. It's below 80. Not 50, not 13, not 34, not 11, 17. Daniel is the winner. Daniel, you are the winner. Congratulations, fam. All right, let's clear that off. We'll do another one at 20,000. We'll do another giveaway at 20,000. So make sure you guys are spamming the like button. Daniel, make sure you DM me to collect your 10K. Let me write that down. Daniel. Daniel gets 10K. Write this down. Show. Need to delete this. Here we go. Dan 10K. There we go. Congratulations, Dan. Yeah, we'll do another one at 20,000. But we'll keep doing you guys' coins in the meantime. Jesus, there's lots of 74s. All right, we'll move you guys back over here. Latest news on Solnic. We got listed on our first of many centralized exchanges. We are still going to be doing a $5 million burn at $5 million market cap. We have a buy the top airdrop. Whoever buys the highest market cap on Solnic gets 1 million Solnic. I don't know what the value of that is right now. Someone do the math. Airdropped to them. Minimum buy of 10K. Are we going to make Roy and Kitty lose it? Why would we do that? Think about that. $10,000 when Solnic hits $1. Right? How to get the airdrop? You don't need to do nothing. All you need to do is just buy the highest market cap. Whoever buys the highest market cap will be the winner. First exchange of mini. Let's go. Yeah, we're on what is it? Let me zoom out here. Here we go. New listing alert from Seto X. Solnic coin will be listed on Seto X. Pair Solnic /USDT. Deposit open. Start now. There we go. Super bullish. The first of hundreds. The first of thousands. You love to see it. You're welcome. What can I say except you're welcome? Oh yeah, thanks brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, fam. Alright, what coins you guys want? What do you guys want to look at? Let's look at Bitcoin. Ski, what's up, fam? Or is that the coin that you want? he is still in accumulation. Still a very good value though to me, in my opinion. SEI. All right, let's look at SEI. VET or ADA? Ooh. Man, that's a close one. I'd probably go with VET just because I think that they're definitely a part of the club. Where I don't know if ADA is, but they probably are. Been holding Solnic strong since February. Let's go, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's look up SEI for my mans. SEI. The coin is SKL. Okay. He was in fact not shouting out your boy Ski. Bought 200 Solnic today. Sitting at 1.6. Let's go. Flux or VET? Ooh. What did I just click on? What are we on right now? Are we on SEI? What is up with Dex Tools? Dex Tools is being very weird today. Oh, this is the right one. Flux or VET? For long term, I actually think that they're both okay. Flux is going to have higher ROI potential. I think that VET is a bit of a safer play. So just depending on what you're after. Bitcoin Boy is having a poll on which coin to buy between Hihi and Soba on X. Who's Bitcoin Boy? Can you check Bobby Kennedy coin? XCN, please. The ROI is going to be Flux. Yeah, Bobby is still in the markdown phase. Up 10% today. It might be an accumulation. Yeah, so this is the markdown and accumulation. It's going to be here for a little while. It's going to chop. But to me, this is a good value. It's going to do something like this, and then off and away it's going to go. Easy 10x on the next leg. So who's holding the rest of the Sonic besides the exchange you mentioned the last time? Are you talking about for the short squeeze? Optimism? Melanie on ETH? All right, we'll look at those. MEL. What is this? Trump's wife. Look at those laser eyes. Okay, so potentially I think this is an accumulation. Yeah, I think this is an accumulation. Next leg will take you to 40 cents. ETH gas fees are crazy. Stick to Sol, just my opinion. Yeah, no, that's facts. XCN. Oh, I like XCN's value here. That is actual factuals. Yeah, this is in accumulation still. Retracement brings you to 1 cent. Price discovery, 4 cents. Daniel, thank you for the heart and the other heart and the rose. You savage.
But the cream
Aura,
rise to the
Aurai.
top. Oh yeah.
Thoughts on the new AI coin ASM when it comes out? Nah, I think that ASI is going to be pretty bullish, to be honest. There's no chart data for me to give you to like, yeah, this is, but just intuitively, I think it's going to be in bullish. ORAI. $38 million. Yeah, I don't mind this chart. Next leg is going to take you to about $32. Did the Sage dude ever launch that coin? I have no idea. Pre-sale coins are the most risky. It's also like going to be your best ROI potentially, but it's also the most risky. I think my funds for that. Get a quick 1x pull investment and get some quant. Yeah. That's probably a safe play. All right, guys, I have family in town. We'll do turbo. I won't be live tomorrow, but I'll do a long live stream on Sunday. We'll do turbo, and that's gonna be the last one. Both my kids, their birthdays are this week, so we got family in town. My daughter's was the other day, and then my son's. So both their parties are on Saturday, so we're gonna have. Okay, so turbo is not a bad value here. It could come down a little bit more, but I was very confident back here that turbo was done. Why is this on MAGA? What in the world is up? I literally, you guys saw that, right? Literally clicked it. But same thing. This is starting to get to be decent price or decent value here. Now, there is a pretty big gap. Okay, so there is one cautionary tale with this. There's a huge gap. And I don't love that. Because at any point in time, if this starts to fill this out, it's going to fill it all out. So that is the cautionary tale. This to me is still on the markdown phase. This was a pretty big markdown today. So we'll see. Yeah, I think that this is definitely going to fill all of this out here and potentially fill this stuff out. So we'll see. But better value than the other day. Still not a great value. Thoughts on Crow? Crow's here to stay. $3. I like trading other coins. ABS profit into Solnic. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys. I got family in town. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube. I just realized my light died. I'll be live on Sunday. We're going to do like a 2 to 4 hour live stream. Depends on how organic you guys are. Yeah, I'm never going to message you guys. Follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. Join the Telegram. By the way, guys, there is a fake Telegram. Be wary. Okay? Be wary. There is no merger. There is none of that stuff. So be wary of that. All right, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling.